Assalamualaikum and good morning. I greet to all, and today I would like to present about brain and speech functions, specifically toward Broca'S and Wernicke'S aphasia. So let's go through one by one. So let's go through the brain speech function first. So this is Broca aphasia. So before we start, what is happen with people that having Broca aphasia? So we need to learn that what is the normal brain functions in a healthy brain. So it consists of two. Broca areas organize the motor commands for speech. It plans how words are articulated. And number two is these motor plans are sent to the motor cortex, which control muscles of the lip, tongue, jaw, and larynx. So basically, Broca aphasia is a place that Broca areas is a place that plans motor plans that control our muscle of the lip. So when it affect this area, the people can't control the muscle of the lips, tongue, and the jaw and larynx properly. So let's go through what happened to people that have Broca aphasia. So first we're gonna learn about location and role. Broca areas is located in the left frontal lobe, mainly Broadman areas 44 and 45. It is responsible for planning and organizing speech movement, structuring grammar and sentence order, converting thought into verbal expressions, sending motor commands to control speech muscles such as tongue, lips, and jaw, and lastly, communicating with other language area like Wernicke'S area for full language processing. So number two, we see about overall impact on the brain. The brain can still understand language but can effectively produce it. Motor planning and language system lose synchronizations, cognitive load increasing, and making communication mentally exhausted. Okay, so now let's go through to Wernicke's aphasia. So normal brain functions, Wernicke area is left posterior temporal lobe, work as the brain language comprehension center. The brain can recognize spoken words by analyzing sound patterns. For example, people can know the word of tongue, but because they analyzing the sound pattern, it links sounds to meaning, connecting what is heard to stored vocabulary in the brain. So let's see what is the problem when people having a Wernicke aphasia. So right now, location and role we see Wernicke's area is located in the posterior part of the left superior temporal gyrus in the temporal lobe. It is part of the brain language comprehension network, and main functions include processing and interpreting spoken, written language. They can sound phonemes with their meaning semantically. So it also storing and retrieving word meanings during conversations. Number two, we see that the overall impact on the brain produces fluent speech but fails to attach meaning to language input or output. Second one, the language comprehension system, which is temporal lobe, is severely damaged. Auditory, semantic, and working memory system lost integrations, and the end of the day, feedback monitoring or speech breakdown, patients are unaware their words are incorrect. So basically, when in aphasia, when they speak, they actually didn't know that what is their thought is wrong. The word using is wrong. Okay. So let's go through to the speech function, which is